The United States is in turmoil. A nationwide virus has stopped all contact. This virus cannot be stopped. A vote has casted to cut all transportation to the North American continent. If this more up votes are casted, the act will pass. Voting over. The act has passed.